2021 and 2023 Ford Bronco. Mine's a Sport. I'm going to be replacing this USB port that's right here. I'm going to show you what to do. The best thing you want to do is get a blue interior pry bar tool to prevent scratching or any holes or whatever in your thing. So what you want to do, what I do, I should say, is I hold it like this right here. I hold it in this position, and then I go straight into the side, and this thing will pop out a little bit. And once it's popped out on this side, you could try to grab it with your fingertips and try to like kind of wiggle and pull it out, but usually the other side needs to come out as well. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Just try not to knock the original side back into place, but you just come on this side, it'll pop out, and then once it's like a little bit out on both sides, you could definitely grab it with your fingertips, pull it forward. There's going to be 2 connectors, maybe 3 on yours, but mine only has 2, and they have little thumb tabs on them. You push the thumb tab and pull the connector back. Do never pull on the wires. Pull it by the connector. And then this one is like it says like a small little push button. I had to use a pen, like a little tip of a pen, to push the button down, and then I pulled the connector back to release it. That has like a little tiny one. It looks like that, but I pushed it right there on the end where the little, you could see it, there's like a little tab you could push down. Here's what it looks like. So this is important. You have to get the one with the same part number as you. The part number is right here. On Amazon, they sell these. You just got to click it and then make sure that the correct part number is listed in the one you buy. So like this is for a Bronco Sport and a bunch of other Fords, but the most important part is to make sure that it is compatible with these part numbers. The reason why is, like, I guess the radio sync function is different for each one of these. So I'm going to link it below. I'll put all the linking below, probably for like multiple ones depending on your part number. But yeah, that's what that's about. And then you can get them on Amazon, or I'll link them to another place. Okay, so when you get your new one, we're gonna just go over here and very carefully plug the connectors back into your new one. It should be the exact same part. So the bigger one is kind of a pain because it has like a connector inside of a connector, so that little silver piece, so you got to really make sure that's lined up perfectly. Push it in. It should make an audible click or snap when it locks in place. Get the other one in as well, and then you just push this guy straight in and it should lock in place, and that's how you do it. And then you might leave a little mark on your console, but if you want to do it a different way, the whole thing has to come out. So that's it, guys. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for oxauto.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the Auto website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.